Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use a Alreel a video generator. So first of all you need to install, then simply tap on the open button. So now you can see here this is the premium package. So done. So you can see it's really easy, got it. They give you the tutorial how to use this app. So first of all you can create your account, my over 7 days, or create freely. So you can see here image to video, text to video, and frame to video. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to text to video. It's easy, you can try image to video or other stuff. So text to video model discussion available, check it out. So simply tap the right arrow. So you can see here different different model here: Sora 2, View 3, Helio 1, Kling, Sedence. So many model here. So I just keep all reels. It's for me. So now you can enter your prompt here. So I'm just going to expand for me, or I'm just going to tap random. Okay. So now you can see here couple of options. You can change your aspect ratio, like 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 9 is to, this is for short, this is for long, and this is for other social media. So I just keep it here. Duration you can create 5 second and 8 second. The resolution you can change the resolution, and also done. Simply minimize it and generate now 60. So for free version you'll get 100. So you can create one videos, and after that you have to buy this package. Simply generate now. So it's processing. So you can see here I perfectly created this thing. So I'm just going to tap here. So you can see here this is the thing, but in free mode, like you have to see the watermark. So it's paid version, you can download it. So you can try if you really want this kind of thing. And trending also here, you can see what's happening actually. You can see through this way.